I bought a 2014 Toyota Venza XLE all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder with 97,700 miles. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. Now, I bought this 2014 from the previous owner. They bought it with 16,000 miles, so they are the second owners. I've been looking for a Venza. I don't know what it is, but when I saw the V6 with the 20-inch wheels, I was like, that's a pretty cool looking SUV, crossover, whatever you want to call it, with the low roof line. I was like, you know what? I'm on the hunt to buy one. And it took me a little while. I've been negotiating with another woman with a high mileage Venza. She took care of it, and it had 212,000 miles, but I couldn't make the deal. She was firm on the price. She owned it either brand new or she was the second owner, but she put a ton of money into it. And I like buying vehicles like that. I love people that love their Toyotas, that they take care of them, and you know, they last a lifetime if you just take care of them. 212,000 miles, that's nothing on a Toyota. But I end up finding this one from the previous owner. She bought it with 16,000 miles, and we'll do another video. I'll be doing the pros and cons. We'll bring it to the shop, we'll put up on the lift, see if there's anything that it needs, and I'll talk about my overall impressions. All right, so that will be coming up in a couple of weeks, because I am working on my 2015 GLK Mercedes with a sport package. It's rear-wheel drive, and last week I put coil packs in it. This week coming up on Monday, I'll be putting a fresh set of tires on the front. What else? Oil change and a cabin air filter. After that, I just ordered a seat cover. I'll do a separate video on that, because you know, the wear and tear of getting into a higher seated vehicle, you're gonna cause, you know, some damage on that seat. So I will do a video on that, changing that out. And what else do I do? Well, I do travel videos throughout New England, so it's still, you know, February 16th or whatever it is for today's date. I like to get myself out on those walking trails, our local travel destinations in New England, and that's about it for now. So until the next video, everybody, Baldadonis out.